Hey, to import contacts from the SIM card to your Samsung Galaxy M15 5G, first of all you have to open contacts. Next you have to click on the three lines in the left upper corner and now select Manage Contacts. And now from this select Import Contacts and now select where to import your contacts from. So we are going to transfer contacts from the SIM card, and now from this you can actually select all contacts that you want to transfer by clicking on the left upper corner, but also you can click only, you can select the specific contacts. Then you have to click down, and now you have to select where you want to import. So for sure we have to select phone, then click to import. Now just wait, and as you can see, contacts were added into our phone storage. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.